First, a mixture of lemon juice and apple cider vinegar is especially healthy for our heart if we are consuming it regularly. Lemon juice contains important nutrients and compounds that are heart healthy and have been shown in studies to reduce the risk of developing heart disease. It is packed with vitamin C, which studies show can reduce the risk of heart disease. As well, lemon juice contains unique and potent plant compounds that can significantly lower both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol, such as hesperidin. Its great antioxidants are also helpful in this regard. Surprising to some, but apple cider vinegar can also provide heart health benefits and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It can help to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, two risk factors for heart disease. Some studies have even found that regular consumption of apple cider vinegar can help to reduce and regulate blood pressure. Consuming lemon juice mixed with apple cider vinegar can also help to improve digestion in many different ways and help to reduce digestive-related ailments.